Welcome to Fashion Family Finance. Today we're going to discuss storage solutions. Okay, I've cleaned out my closet, edited all the things that are no longer serving me. How do I put everything back in and make it look beautiful and organized? The answer to that is storage solutions. So today we're going to focus on the closet specifically, and first we're going to talk about the drawers. It gets wild and crazy in the drawers, so we really want to make sure that we have the right things that are supporting us to keep our drawers organized. I suggest drawer dividers. I have 3 different kinds here that I'm going to show you. The first one, bins that I get from IKEA. They come in different sizes. These are great because you can put like loose items in here. I just have socks. And then I like to use a drawer divider. I prefer a drawer divider that matches the interior of the drawer. Just cut down on the visual distraction and keep your focus on the clothing that you have folded. I also have this clear one. iDesign does a lot of really good storage solutions for the home. This one here is adjustable as well. It has like a little latch, which is kind of fun and interesting. You can make your sections as narrow as wide as you need depending on what you're folding. And also using these helps you to adhere to the folding techniques that I teach in the Purge. Because most people stack their things on top of each other like this, and then you tend to not see what's at the bottom. When you are able to use these drawer dividers, you can really adhere to those folding techniques and see everything as it's laid out and use your wardrobe more efficiently. And this is how you can implement storage solutions to have a better flow in your drawers. Now we're going to get into the items that are hanging in your closet. One of the key things that I think is very important is that you have uniformity in your hangers. I suggest a nice velvet hanger. These work well for all different types of closets. I like black because if you need to replace hangers or get more hangers, you can always generally find a black hanger. If you pick another color, that color might be discontinued, it might be out of stock. I suggest the uniformity in your closet in the hangers so that it creates less visual distraction from the clothing and you can focus on what you are there to do, which is pick out your outfits. Another thing that I suggest for your closet is maybe getting some garment bags for those gowns or those items that are not necessarily going in the archive. Be something that's very intricately detailed that you want to protect and not get snagged with the other things that are hanging in your closet. I like this garment bag specifically, the PVC in the front so you can see what's in it, as well linen fabric in the back. Come in different lengths and sizes. Also a great addition you can add to these velvet hangers are clips. You can buy the attachment for the velvet hanger like so, and then you clip it on. Hang skirts or items that you want to clip onto the hanger. These are really good because they work for all different types of closets, small and large. Now we're going to talk about storage solutions for your shelving. Many people have just this traditional wire shelving in their closet. There's a lot of different storage solutions out there on the market that can make the basic closet system more efficient. Several items in here that I like to use. First one that I really love is going to be a shelf divider. I have this fabric one, it's nice. You can get that at Target. I also have this acrylic. These are great because if you have jeans or sweaters, sweatpants, knits, you can easily stack those things on the shelving and keep them a little bit more organized and keep them from spilling over into one another. I also love bins. Storage bins are a very good way to contain all of the items that sometimes get a little astray at the top of your closet. I specifically like these plastic bins from the Container Store. They come in a lot of different sizes. Technically used for shoes, but like this one, I have dust bags in it. You can put a lot of different things in these. I also use these for like toys for my kids. It's also a really good storage bin, and I like it because it has a drop front. You can use any bin for any use that you see fit. I have hats in. Sometimes hats have a hard time having a zone. I like to create zones in the closet. Piggybacking off of bins, I like this storage slot container, which is kind of like a bin, but it's open. For smaller like clutches, I like this because it's slotted. Easily slide your clutches in and out. And sometimes these have a hard time being stored because they don't have as much structure or shape. Putting them in these slots gives the structure and shape, and then you're able to see and preserve what you have in your closet. And for more information on storage solutions and all things closet, be sure to follow us at Fashion.Family.Finance.com.